Hello, hello, and welcome to She's a Busy Girl. I'm Stephanie, and I'm here this afternoon to share with you a huge thriftbooks.com haul. I ordered 6 books, and I like all 6, and there's one that I like less. So actually, we're going to start with that one. So the first book I got was a field guide in color to mushrooms, and the cover looks like it's going to be mushroom illustrations, but unfortunately it's all mushroom pictures. So these are pictures instead of illustrations, but I think they will still make, if I can get them out of here halfway decent, I think they'll still make for some cute journal pages, and if not, these will make cute journaling cards, or at least backgrounds for journaling cards. But there's many of these pictures. So if nothing else, I will have many journaling cards to make. So not a total loss, just not my favorite. Okay, next up is another mushroom book that I got that I really like, actually. This is the Concise Illustrated Book of Mushrooms and Other Fungi. And this is an old library book. This one does have some pictures in it, yes, but it also has these fantastic illustrations. So I do like this one quite a bit. These are going to be some things that I can maybe cut out and use as fussy cut items, or, take these squares and use them to begin journaling cards or pockets or something like that. But the other great thing about this book, and I haven't really looked to see if the signatures are, I think they're sewn. I think they are. Oh, they are. Okay, there's the stitches. But the other great thing about this book is that the pages are along lengthwise. So even folded, you would have some pretty decent pages for a journal. So I do like this. It has many uses. And this was a good buy. I'm glad I got that one. And then it's something a little out of the ordinary for me. I am mostly flowers, butterflies, trees, leaves, stuff like that. I'm kind of a tree hugger. No, I'm really not. But I just like the nature aspect of things. But I saw this and I thought, well, that could be really neat. And as it turns out, this is a really cool book. Look at some of these illustrations. They're just gorgeous. I like them a lot, and it goes all the way back. Where does it start? 1066 to 1550. So it's got illustrations from that time period all the way up to, they grouped 1960 to 1990 all together. So some really cool pictures. I'm looking forward to using these in some journals. These are going to be cool for pockets and for journal pages, and maybe even some for fussy cutting. We'll have to see how that goes. And like I said, it is a little bit unusual for me, outside of my comfort zone a tad, but hey, we all got to try some new stuff sometimes. So that was a cool book. And moving on, now these are the books that are me. The Nature Illustrative Flowers, Plants, and Trees, 1550 to 1900. And this is, ooh, look at those end pages. That is really pretty. I don't know what that is. It just came in the book. All right. This book is really nice. So there's the forward, but I mean, look at this plate. I know it's in black and white, but it's absolutely beautiful. And then we come back here, and there's a lot of color plates, and there's a lot of black and white plates. So, I mean, the possibilities with this book are just endless. These illustrations are beautiful, black and white, or color, or whatever they happen to be. This is a gorgeous book, and I am looking forward to diving into this one and seeing what I can do with it. Actually, don't we? I think I've seen this image before. This must be in the public domain. I don't know, because I think I've seen it before. But again, ooh, look, the oak leaves. Absolutely beautiful. I am very happy with this purchase. Very happy. And moving on to book number 5. This is a big one. The Illustrated Encyclopedia of Birds, more than 800 illustrations in color and black and white. And this again, now these are used books from thriftbooks.com. So this one is actually coming out of the binding, which if it's something that bothers you, then it would bother you. But as I'm going to take this apart anyway, that doesn't bother me at all. Half the work's done for me. I'm happy. So anyhow, this book has some great illustrations in black and white, and then there are some in color. Now, the thing I like about this one, too, is that it's got the bird's eggs, and it's got kind of a little illustration of the bird in flight as well. So lots and lots of illustrations in this one. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous book. And like I said, I don't mind that it's coming apart because I'm going to do that anyway. And so, oh gosh, that's a pretty picture. These are fantastic. And again, this is the Illustrated Encyclopedia of Birds. So I was very, very pleased with that one. And then the last book of my purchase is the Complete Illustrated Encyclopedia of Wildflowers and Flora of the Americas. That's a mouthful. And this one has a lot of photographs in it as well, but it also has these kind of really neat pages with flowers and maps and where they are. And then when you get toward the back of the book, we are right back to, like, here's a photograph and here's an illustration of the flower, a couple of different illustrations. So this book, again, was one that I opened up and went, oh, okay, I found a treasure. So, and again, gorgeous, gorgeous floral illustrations and some pictures to go along with them, just depending on the plant. Absolutely beautiful, and pages and pages and pages of them. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I have been extremely pleased. I've now ordered just about a dozen books from thriftbooks.com, and I have been extremely pleased with what I have received. You have to kind of go into it sort of knowing what you're looking for, and because a lot of times there's not pictures of the actual book, and a lot you can almost never see inside the book. So you kind of have to know what you're looking for and research. Ooh, look at that. Research the books maybe on other sites like Amazon and that type of thing. But I have been very pleased with everything that I've received from thriftbooks.com so far. And so I will continue to order from them because these are fantastic. And so that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys are having a great week. I may or may not be back tomorrow with a video. Tonight is date night for the hubby and I. And so I may not be able to sit down and do something else this evening, but I won't be gone any longer than a day. So I will see you guys in a day or two. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Until then, take care.